Tamakaze here with a quick tutorial on using our rapid flow signals in our algo rooms. Want to talk about what's the purpose of them, uh, what are they trying to achieve, and then how to make money on them. Uh, just real quick, rapid flow, it's an options-based algorithm designed to catch pops and drops in the stock by detecting unusually fast and unusual flow in a stock. It's an algorithm we designed that tries to catch directional movement in a stock. And so one of these things we're looking for is just quick drops, quick pops in stocks to try to catch a quick 5 to 10% gain. We see a couple of these every day. And the idea is if you can be successful every day with a couple of 5 to 10% gains, these gains add up over time, and you can have a very, very successful trading account um, using this method. And we have some members that only use this method in our Discord, with some being a little bit more famous than others. But um, you know, one of our guys recently turned 10,000 into 100,000 in less than 2 months, just with consistent 10% gains. The idea is when the algorithm alert comes out, you're going to pick something close in expiration, close to the money, maybe slightly out of the money, so that you can catch wider movements in premium prices. That way, you can get that 5 to 10% faster. Occasionally, the movement will be a little delayed, so you might have to average down a little bit once the movement is confirmed more. And I wanted to talk about an alert that came out today, um, and talk about how that's effective on here. So we had a rapid put flow alert today on Apple that came out at 850 at this exact price here at 139.83. So I can actually pull that alert here for us. So one of those things that you're looking for here is you can see in the alert the chart too. So here is the alert that I was talking about. You can see in the chart this wide downward movement. You can see the rapid put flow for Apple 139.83. This is Eastern time. In the Discord, I have mine on Central time for this purpose, but you can see that's for the 140 put for this Friday. So you can see that was right near the money. You can actually, if you want, copy that. Um, there's probably going to be high liquidity in that due to that being the one that triggered it, and that's the one that has the most unusual activity. So if you just wanted to be real quick in and out and not think about it, you could copy the strike and date that is in the alert and then go from there. So one of the other things I wanted to talk about is averaging down. Occasionally, um, what'll happen is you may not get the 10% here. You may get like 5 to 10%, and then it might find a bottom and reverse. And then by here, you're actually in the negative red, right? And you can see that it hit a resistance here that used to be a support and then rejected, breaking this uptrend. You could actually then average down at this point in time right here. So you can see if you're watching your chart and you're in this play, you can see it broke the uptrend, retested and denied. You could actually average down and then take profits most likely in the 8 to 10% in this range when it makes another double bottom. So we've tested this theory, and 90% of the time you're going to make money. If you use about a 20% stop loss with a 10% take profit target, you're going to make money on these alerts. And the other thing is, if you do average down, maybe you don't shoot for 10%, but maybe you shoot for that 5 to 8% because now you have more money involved. So you want to have a tighter stop loss, obviously, and a faster take profit on this. So if it's a lot of times you get in and it just premium pumps, you're catching moves, and you're quick in and out 5 minute trades. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, and you have to average down in order to get the win off of that trade. But trusting the alert and trusting the process and using your 20 to 25% stop loss will 90% of the time make money on this. And if you use that plan overall and over time, you're going to make money on these alerts. And really, Combining it with your own charting using support and resistance and pivot zones is just another way to further it by using the support and resistance zones, either for stop losses or to average down. So for in this case, if it were to have reversed here over the 140, 25, 140, 30 and gone north, you might have had your stop loss, maybe somewhere in this range right here where you say, all right, it's clearly reversing. It's broken all the downtrends. And you can see even like this downtrend, it connected with this and then rejected there. So that was a perfect point to get back in. But if it say would have got over that, that would have been your stop loss. So hopefully this gives you a little bit idea on what we're doing with the rapid flow alerts and how to play them successfully and make money off of them every day of the week and have a high win rate, high consistency, high profitability alerts. These are ones you definitely want to pay attention to and trade if you can and you have the time to pay attention to the chart. If you have any questions, hit me up in the Discord. I wanted to show you one real quick on this. You may think, oh, there wasn't much profitability here, but this was actually a screenshot on this alert. So this was the Apple Rapid Put Flow alert that came out today. Looks like he went with a little bit more in the money alert on this with the 141 instead of the 140, but he did take the Friday expiration and he did make 10% on this. So even though this was only a 40% drop, still made 10% on this very easily. So again, if you have any questions, hit me up in the Discord and we'll go from there. Thank you and have a great day.